When we're coming to you from the Goya kitchens, you know you're in for something good. And we're with the executive chef, Fernando Deza, making a fantastic ceviche. And this one has a special little twist, right?
That's true. We're doing a coconut shrimp ceviche that is super easy, super tasty, and a lot of fun.
And it uses one of my very favorite Goya products, the coconut milk.
Perfect to do all different kind of recipes from dessert and to the ceviche.
I love it. Let's do it.
Right. So to start, we're gonna season our shrimp.
That
for our
too.
Goya adobo with pepper, add a lot of flavor to all your recipes. Now, in this case, because we're using shrimp, we're gonna boil it for 1 to 2 minutes until pink. And then after that, we're gonna put it in the fridge. We're gonna rinse it, add it to the fridge. Now in a bowl, we're gonna add our wonderful Goya coconut milk, lemon juice,
All right.
some diced red onions, diced red peppers. To add more flavor, we're gonna add some Goya sazon. It makes everything taste so good and traditional. And to spice it up, we're gonna add some Goya jalapenos.
Kick it up a notch.
Oh yeah. Ceviche without heat is not ceviche. I like to add a little bit more of the heat for a different one. Then after that, we're gonna add the shrimp. And then to finish it up, some Goya adobo with pepper. We're gonna mix everything together and cover it up with plastic wrap, put it in the fridge for 30 to 45 minutes, and then ready to serve. Then we're gonna add some Goya plantain bits for crunchiness.
These are so cool. They're like little mini croutons, but they're plantains.
And they're super good. And there you go. Good, huh?
Yes, and I love those little plantain bits.
Add the perfect crunchiness for this dish.
That is fun, and it is delicious. Fernando, thank you. We've got the recipe online.